Hi, my name is Victoria, and this is my brother Dexter. Dexter, say hi. Hello. All right, and we are going to be doing a Coke and Mentos experiment. Yes, we are. Okay, so this is the Coke. We use diet. This is the Mentos. And we're going to put the Mentos inside the Coke, which is going to create a chemical reaction explosion.
A chemical reaction.
And it's going to be an explosion. Dexter, help me out. Help me out. Oh! Ah! I'm covered in Coke! Now that's a chemical reaction. Thank you guys for watching. Now I gotta get out of the sticky situation. Bye.